Tell me how many ways we can able to create a table, backup table. Anyone?
Treat as like clone,
See it as
like
like and
clone,
clone. Okay, so tell me difference between CTS. What will happen? We'll have definition
plus
plus
data plus no
plus.
constraints.
So
No
then,
constraints.
So no
yes,
constraint.
no
No
constraint.
constraint will be there.
What about storage?
Storage will be there.
So storage will be there. Okay, so storage will be there. Okay, same thing. What about like?
So definition
Uh,
plus no data,
No data.
only constraints,
Only constraints. Okay, see constraints. Okay, see under no storage. Why?
no storage.
Because there is no data, no storage.
No
Okay.
storage.
Okay. So next one is the important feature, that is clone. Okay. Difference.
Clone.
What do you think? So
Every-
definition
Definition plus data plus constraints,
constraints plus no
no
storage. Okay. Now tell me how can check it's a no storage or not? Where you can able to figure out?
Information schema.
Information schema dot
Table
table metric.
table metric active bytes.
Okay. See. So select start from. Okay. See information schema. Okay. Information schema dot table storage matrix. Okay, what is the column name? Column is active bytes. Active bytes equal to 0 for what? So what's 0 for what?
Storage.
So 0 for okay, 0 for like and clone will have 0 in it. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, now this is no worries. Okay, so no, okay, so this is fine. Now this is fine. Now suppose like I'm having one table. Okay, see EMP table. Now I want to know which is this is a main table or clone table, where you can able to figure out.
Clone
Tell
ID.
me. Okay, now tell me. Suppose like I want the list of tables. Okay, I'll go for show tables.
Tables.
Okay. Now question is that what suppose like see I'm having one table is the employee table. Now how to check it's a main table or clone table? Where you should go? Select select star from where? Where you should check information schema. Information schema dot table storage matrix. So where table name equal to this table. Okay, see, pass the table name. Okay. Now see, there are so many tables are there, but I want to get my database, my schema. Then what I should do?
Catalog and
so
Catalog,
table
current
catalog
database.
equal to current database. Okay, see, so current database. Okay, see, yesterday if you are practice, you can able to understand today's topic. If not practice, you can now see. Tell me, these are what? So both are main tables. Okay, see, both say ID, both are same main table. Okay, got the point. Now suppose like yesterday we have queried some things. Now where you can able to get all the queries? So see here, go to here. Okay, see here, query history. So we can able to check the list of queries we executed for the last 14 days. Okay, got the point. See. So go back here, filter. Okay, say skill text. I want information schema. Okay, so, okay, now apply filter. Now tell me this is what concept? Wherever information schema is there, I am trying to get the data. This is what concept? This is pattern filter and pattern matching concept. Pattern matching. How to get the pattern matching concept? In a we'll go for like. Okay, see those ones, you know. Okay, so unmute and types. So by using like operator, we can able to make it work. Got the point. So go back here. So all the topics are linked each other. Okay, you see, we can able to get. Okay. Now tell me why it's called as zero copy cloning. Tell me.
No physical storage, only micropartition data.
It's a metadata operation. Metadata operation. So see, no physical storage and no computation cost. So it's a without any additional storage, we are trying to take a backup of a table or schema or entire database. Now question is that what I'm having one EMP tables having 1 million records are there. And it's having 1 terabytes of volume is there. Now what happened? Now I want to take a backup. Tell me which one will choose? CTAS like or clone?
Clone.
We'll go for clone because it's zero copy cloning. Says zero storage will be there. So before that, tell me what are the layers we're having? We're having 3 layers are there. Okay, what are 3 layers in the Snowflake architecture? Storage, then
computing services.
Query processing. So query processing.
And the cloud services.
Cloud services. So cloud services layer. Okay. Now our data will be stored physically where?
Storage.
Data
In
storage.
the storage layer. Okay, let me open the same thing. Okay, go to architecture. Okay, now see. So our data will be stored physically in the form of microparts in the cloud. So this information who is holding in the cloud service, the metadata manager. If you want to insert, if you want to perform any DMLs, will come into picture the virtual warehouse. Okay, see computation service, that is virtual warehouse. So this is clear so far. So cloning, this is fine. Now question is that what now I create a clone table. Okay, tell me syntax for clone table. Create table name, and then
Table and
Clone.
Clone
Clone
by
table.
EMP.
so
Table.
clone. Okay, see world table. Okay, see this is my world table is what EMP table. Okay, now EMP.
Clone EMP.
Okay, EMP clone. Okay, this is fine. Now question is that what about storage? Storage will be 0. Okay, so 0. Okay, so this is fine. Next question is that what now I try to insert 10 records in the EMP table. Now what will happen to the clone table?
Nothing will happen.
It won't impact.
It won't impact because it's a
Independent table.
so both are independent to each other. So this is fine. Now next question is that what? Okay, next question is that what? Now I try to insert same 10 records in the clone table. Now what happened to me?
Main table will not
there-
impact.
There won't be any impact. Now what happened because both are what? Both are
Independent.
independent table. Okay. Got the point. Huh? So because what both are independent. Okay. And now what about the storage? Storage will be there. Huh?
Micro partition will be created.
Main
Because now
table
what
will be
happened?
storage. Clone table, there is no
No.
physical
We
storage.
record insert record, not 10 records.
With the 10 records,
new records, the micro partition storage will be created.
Okay, storage will. So in the new micro partition, the data will be stored physically. Okay, so this is fine. No worries. Okay. Now next question is that what can we clone the cloned table? Is it Paula?
Yes.
Suppose.
Yes.
So let me go back here. Let me create one table. So counter questions will be like this only. Okay, so create. So table. Suppose like EMP main ID number. Now what happened? Insert into EMP main values 1. Okay, see one record, second record. See Snowflake support what multi inserts. Okay, we can able to perform the same thing. Okay, now how to see the data by using select statement. Select star from EMP main. Okay, now what happened? Now physically data will be stored in micro partition. Now we'll have storage will be there. Okay, now this is fine. Now 4 records are there. Now I'm trying to perform create table EMP main. So clone EMP main. Now what happened? Tell me. So a clone table will be created. Now question is that what can we clone the clone table? Tell me it's possible.
Yes.
Okay, see. So see it is possible. Now next question is that what same thing can you clone the clone table? It's possible. Tell me it's possible. Yes or no?
Obviously, it
Yes,
is.
it is possible.
I see it is possible. Okay. Now tell me this clone table is referring to where? This table, which table it refers?
Main one.
Which main one?
Initial one.
See, EMP clone is reference to the same thing. So this one is reference to see what happened. Now see here what happened. How to confirm? Where should confirm? Select star from information schema.
Dot.
Okay, so information schema dot. So table storage metrics. So metrics. So where table name like okay. Now see there are multiple tables are there. Now I want to get only this pattern. How to get only this pattern?
EMP.
Like
Okay,
EMP percentage.
But tell me data in the database is what? Case sensitive. Now I want to make this one to be working. Then how to make it working?
Upper or lower.
So we should convert everything into okay. See uppercase or lowercase. Now I'm converting to lowercase. Okay. Suppose like what happened? I make it to spaces are there. Then how to make it? Then what I should use? Tell me what I should use.
Left
trim. So trim function we can able to use it. So step by step, we should make up all the concept. We can able to make it working. Okay, so now see. So now see there totally how many records? 4 entries are there. Now see what happened. So this is the main. Tell me, there are 4 tables are there. Out of 4 tables, which will have which will have main? Which is the main table?
EMP.
EMP main.
EMP main.
Okay, see EMP main because ID clone group ID both are same. It's a main table. What about the different? See, these are cloned because now what happened? They're having different IDs and different clone group IDs. It will be same thing. Suppose like what happened here? Storage is there 50 MB or something, 50 bytes. Now what about 3 things will have?
0 bytes.
0 bytes because a reference to the main thing, okay, main table, but you will have physical storage will be 0. So because suppose like if I try to insert 1 record, then what happened? Storage will be there. Got the point? Like, okay, see this, okay, like this way, understand the concept. Okay, see, don't buy hard. This is important. Without any additional storage, it's only metadata we are trying to copy. Metadata of micro partition information we are trying to copy, not the physical data. Got the point? This is zero copy cloning. Okay. Same thing now come to today's topic. Okay.
Sorry, Mr. Vishal, can I ask a question in between?
Yeah, sure, sure. Ask.
Sir, suppose like here it's taking a reference of main table instead of you create a clone table based on the clone table. Correct?
Yeah.
So if my clone table initially when I created and after clone table I created, I inserted few many records. Okay, like main 100 records, clone table having a another clone table having a 150 records, and I'm taking a reference of that 150 clone table record. So what will happen?
No, if you do anything, now what happens? So see, internally it refer to this only. Okay, so your question is that what, suppose like EMP table, 100 records are there. Now what happened? EMP clone, I clone with EMP clone. Okay, now there'll be 100 records, but it will have 0 storage. Next time what you say, now in the EMP clone, you inserted one more 100 records. Now it will be 200 records. Now your question is that what now I'm trying to clone. Now see, so it will also point to this only, EMP only.
Okay.
Okay, see, like you can see, okay, like do something, you can do the same thing only. Okay, now it's good.
But what about that 100 additional 100 records?
No, it will do internal operations, but what happens? So main functionality is that what, okay, see, this EMP clone is referring to EMP table. Okay, now the question is that what about 100? So if you take 100 and it will go for other thing. Now see here, question is that what, okay, see. So this is internally operation dude. We don't have the actual point, but what happened when you try to clone, it will refer to this only, not this one. That's what the point. Okay, so we don't have the background what will happen, but this is all done by. So we don't have the physical access to the micro partitions. Okay, they given what. Okay, see, main purpose of this cloning is that what. So we need to take a backup. So see, if I want to take this backup, what happened? So see, we will go for cloning concept because what it's how there will be no storage. That's what the main thing. So you try to do same thing. It will refer to this only. That's what the point. Okay. Okay. Now same thing. Now what happened? Come to our topic. Okay. Now see. I created one table. So create table EMP. So EMP ID number. Okay, same thing. Insert. So into EMP values. Okay, one. Okay. See one more concept. Okay. Name varchar city varchar. Same thing. So Praveen. Okay. Hyderabad. Okay. Now controlling simple. So when I'm learning any concept, go for simple use case. So once you're comfortable, okay, so make the complicated. Okay. So Kumar, second record. Okay, go for third entry. Go for so this starts to like prepare some data, wait for 2 hours and try to, but what happens? Same thing it will refer. Okay. Copy the same thing. Let me create a table. Now what happened? Insert some records, second record, third record. Now tell me in Snowflake, DMLs are what? So DMLs are auto committable. Okay, so now see if I put rollback, there won't have any impact. Okay, so because now in Snowflake, DMLs are getting automatically committed. Now see, as of now, how many records are there? There are 3 records are there. Okay, let me take the screenshot. So this is one more important concept. Okay, now see. Okay, now, so 3 records are there. Now suppose like Kumar is there, he got transferred from Chennai to Pune. Tell me how to write. We should make of what concept? Make of update statement. Okay, see, go back here. Update emp set city equal to Pune. Okay, now see where
ID is equals to
2.
where ID equals to 2. Now what happened? By mistakenly, I did not put the where condition. Now what will happen? Tell me.
all
It will
It
update
will
for all the
update all
cities.
the
All the records.
City.
Okay, see all the records.
Update
So
all
Pune.
records.
Okay, see now what happened? I perform rollback because no, there won't be any impact. Now requirement is that what? So this is not correct. Now what happened? I want to go to the previous state. Okay, or the point. See now, see this is our actual data. But what happened? I want to update only this data. By mistakenly, it updates for all the millions of records are there. Now what happened? It is not correct. In real time, what happened will be big escalation will happen because no, we should update only particular record. By mistakenly, what happened? I did not put, but it's getting automatically committed. Now what happened? Now see, this is not correct. Now I rectify this is not correct. Now I want to go to the previous state. Then how to go to previous state in Snowflake? We have a concept of time travel is there. So time travel is there. So see so far. So cloning is one feature. It is for taking a backup. Okay, so same thing. Time travel is one more feature. This is it is
we can do.
Is to okay track. It is to go back to the
Previous state.
go back to the so previous state and take and see what happens. Simply what my requirement is that what so this is the current data. Okay, now Pune's now requirement is what this is not requirement. Now I want to get the previous data. Now how to get the previous data? We should go for what time travel concepts is there. Okay, see I want to go back to a particular period of time and access the historical data. Historical data in the sense like what? Okay, see it can be updated, it can be deleted, it can be dropped for the pointer. See, my requirement is that what? So this is the current data. This is not my correct data, but I want to get the previous data. How can it get the previous data? We should go for time travel concept. Got the pointer. So see, so I want to I want to go to previous data. So how to go to the previous data? We're having the concept of time travel. Let me show you one example. You'll get some clarity. So it's a simple only one more time. Now see, now I am trying to execute one query. Select one is there. So see, whenever execute anything, now what happened? A query ID will be generated. Okay, see. Okay, now let me execute one more time. Now see. Okay, here. Okay, query details. Click on 3 dots. So okay, copy query ID. Okay. Not only both are unique or different. So both are different. Okay, see, different. Okay, see, whenever we execute any SQL statement, so Snowflake will generate a query ID. This is unique one. So see, whenever we execute any SQL statement, okay, so Snowflake will generate a query ID. Okay, what the point? See here, what happened? You see, try to execute one more time. Select one. Now see. Copy the same value. Now see, tell me same one. It's a different. Okay, see, it will be unique value. So whenever perform any statement, what happen? So your unique query ID will be generated. We can able to get it done. So clear so far. This is fine. Now same concept. Let me create one more time the same case. Now you get some clarity. What exactly you're trying to do. So copy the same thing. Okay. Now go back here. Let me execute step by step. Now I'm trying to execute one statement. Now what happened? Snowflake will generate what? A query ID, and we're trying to copy here and we're trying to paste it. Okay. Same thing. One more insert. Copy the query ID and paste here. Okay, got the point. So see, we can able to get it done. 1 second. Okay, see. Okay, now same thing. Now what happened? What insert we did? Okay, see. So we query profile, we can able to see what exactly we performed. Okay. What exactly we perform? So we perform first record only. Okay. Now go back here. Now insert second record. So copy the same thing and put here. Okay. Same thing. Execute. and put here. Okay. Now see what happened. So this is fine. Now what happened now? I by mistakenly, okay, see, I truncate the table. So truncate table EMP1. Now what happened? I mean, truncate is a DDL or DML in Snowflake.
DML.
So DML. But what happened? Tell me.
DML.
So see. No, in Snowflake it said DML. Okay, now see rollback will work. Anything? Tell me
Yes,
rollback will.
rollback will work.
No.
DML.
Since in Snowflake, no DMLs are getting automatically committed. No, so rollback won't work. Okay, see rollback.
Explicitly we have to say.
No, it will get automatically committed. Okay. So see, so DMLs in Snowflake, no, that's what in Snowflake, DMLs are getting automatically committed. Why? Because see, show parameters. Okay, see here, auto commit is set. So this auto commit, so by default, whenever perform any DMLs, it will get automatically committed. Okay. Now come back to the same thing. Now see a requirement is that what? Okay, now see, now I want to, so by mistakenly, okay, instead of one table, I truncated the other table. Now I want to get this data back. Now what happened now? See, we don't have the data. So see here what happened. So understand the concept. Now see, okay, see, now we are having how many records are there in earlier table? We are having, so 3 records are. So instead of one table, I truncate the other table. But requirement is that what I want to get these 3 records back. Now, how to get 3 records back? See, we are having the concept of time travel. So select star from EMP1. So before statement, okay, pass the query ID. Okay, see query ID. Okay, now see the same thing. So select star from EMP1. So before statement query ID. Now copy the same value. Now you'll get some clarity so that it will, this concept is simple only. Now see, as of now, how many cards are there in my table?
3.
So no, as of now, I truncate table. No, so truncate now, it will be 0 records. No, I truncate the table. Now it will be 0 records. Now what happened? Copy the same value. Now see here. Now before the statement, how many records are there? Before the statement, how many records are there?
2.
2 records. No? So 2 records. No, so see, 2 records are there. Okay, see, 2 records. Suppose like same thing, copy the same value and put here. Now, how many cards will be there? So this statement, there will be only 1 record will be there. 1 record will be okay. Now, what happened before the statement? How many cards are there?
No record.
No records are there. No records are there. Okay, see, this is no records are there. Now, requirement is that what? Okay, now I want to get this data. Now, how to get this data? We should go for what? I should get the, so I perform truncate statement, but I did not copy the query ID. Now, how to get the query ID? So go here. Okay, how to get the query ID?
Query
So
history.
see, so click on this value, go to query history. Okay, so query history. Okay, now what happened? There will be multiple queries are there. Search for what? So go for filter. Okay, search for what? Truncate keyword. Okay, see truncate. Okay, see apply filter. Okay, see truncate. Now copy this thing. So copy the query ID. Okay, now go to our SQL worksheets. Now see the same thing. Okay, and put here. Now see what happened. Now we'll get our 3 records. We'll get data. Now see, same data I got the. So see, same data we are getting. Got the point. See, this is time travel concept. See, from the current position. So by mistakenly, I perform some insert, I perform some update, or I perform some delete. Then what happened? How to get the data back? We should go for what? We should go for time travel concept. Time travel is nothing but what? Accessing historical data that has been deleted, that has been updated, or that has been dropped by someone. Got the point? Getting at least is the high level, understand the concept. So here what happened now see. So by mistakenly, I truncate one table. Instead of one table, I truncated for one table. Then what happened? We should go for what? We should go for time travel concept. Same thing. Suppose if you're not able to understand, we see one more use case. Okay. Copy the same value. Okay, let me. So create one more table, EMP1. Now what happened? Tell me for everything, a query ID, copy the query ID for understanding purpose. So put here. Okay, same thing. Okay, so insert one more. Okay, now go back here. For everything, a query ID will be generated. That was the point you should remember. And paste here. Okay, same thing. Insert second record. Okay, and paste the query ID. Okay, now what happened?
Yeah,
Same
Praveen,
thing.
you need to change the employee table name here.
Okay, sorry. Okay, so table name. Now what happened? Copy the query ID and paste it. Okay, so we can able to do. Same thing, go for one more thing. So table, let me insert. So simple table. So 3 records I'm trying to insert. So paste here. Now this is what, how to see the database? Select statement. Select star from EMP11. Now this is active data. How many records are there in active data? So 3 records. I have captured the 3 records. So this is shown. Now what happened by mistake? Now I want to update. So I want to some update statement. Update EMP1 set city equals to something like Delhi. Okay, so Delhi. So what happened where ID equals to 2. But what happened? By mistakenly I committed this code or committed this comment. Now this condition. Now I perform. Now what happened? Tell me. So see, all the 3 records will get modified. But when I put rollback, now what happens? So it won't work because in Snowflake, DMS are getting automatically committed. Now see, so it won't get any impact. Now what happened? This is not correct. I want to update one record, but what happened? All the mail records has been affected. Now how to rectify the same thing? So normally we'll have backup thing we'll have in normal database. But in Snowflake, we are having the concept of time travel. From the current position, we can able to go back and we can able to access the historical data. So this is the current data. See, this is okay, active data, or you can say current data. But what happened? I don't want active data. See, I want to get this previous state. How to go to the previous state? We are having the concept of what? Concept of time travel. So select star from EMP11. So before
Bracket.
so statement is not, but we should pass the query ID. Now where I should go now before this update statement. So update statement, I did not take the query ID. Now what happened? Go to query history. So see, up to 14 days we can able to get from here. Okay, see, now what happened? Vision policy, go back here, search for update. So SQL text, search for update. Okay, see, apply file. This is pattern matching, that is like operator. So see, go back. So this is the concept. So click on this value, copy the query ID. Okay. Now why it's require warehouse? Because it's a DML. So DML require virtual warehouse. Okay, see, go back here. Go back here. Now what happened? So see, put here. Now what I should put? Okay, see, should pass the query ID. We can able to get it. Done. Got the point? Huh? So declare so far. So see, we should put inside the statement. Okay. So see, now so this is the, see here, from here, this is what? This is the active data. But what happened? This is not correct data, but okay, I want to go to the previous state. Then we should go for this time travel concept. So same thing, we can go now take the same value. Now, so before the statement, how many records are there? Before the statement? Tell me, before the statement, there are how many records are there? Only one record is there. One record is there. See, one record is there. Okay, so one record. So same thing if I put before is there and one more thing is there, we are having at concept is there. See, at. Okay. Tell me, whenever exit this statement, now what happened? At this particular point of time, tell me how many records are there? At this point of 2 records are. So before is nothing but what? Before this statement, there will be 1 record. But this at the point of at is nothing but what? At the time of execution, how many records are there? Only 2 records are there. Got the point? So you can go for either before or we can go for at. Same thing, you can go for at. We get the correct data. Getting the points, huh? So this is the way we can able. So this is what concept? This is time travel concept. We can go back to the previous state and we can able to get it done. Got the point, huh? So see the same use case one more time and close this topic and see the tables and get some clarity. Okay, now see, now what happened? Now see, it's working fine. Okay, now what happened? Let me drop this table. So drop table EMP11. Okay, now see, table has been dropped. Tell me now this statement, Larka, this statement. Now see, it says, so says object does not exist. What about the statement? It says it is not able to perform. Now how to get this table back? By using which concept?
Undrop.
So undrop
Time
is this.
travel.
So time travel is an undrop concept. So see, undrop. Okay, see, undrop is also time travel feature. So select star from EMP1. We'll get our table back. Got the point. As clear so far. So see here. So see, when table is there, we can able to go for before and at. But what happened? We drop the table. And now how to get? We should mix up undrop table name. Clear so far? Getting a little bit at least. So see, understand the concept is that this is the historical data. Now this is the active data. From the current position, I want to access historical data is somebody modified, somebody updated, somebody. Then what happens? You go for what concept? You go for time travel. That is okay. See by using before statement and getting that. Okay, got it a little bit. Somewhat at least in data. So far, ask any doubts as of now.
Praveen, I have a doubt.
Go ahead.
If you have been retrieved the data using time travel syntax, okay. Once the syntax has been executed, if you remove the time travel syntax, and if you retrieve data only with the table name, the data will be available or not?
The table will available. So if table is the table data, so this is what this is active data. Okay, see, got the point. So this is active data. But what happen if I want to go back and we can able to get? So this is so we can able to get the historical data. Got the point? So see select. So normally normal functional is that select start from what? It will give the current data. Whatever data we are storing in the table, it will give. But what happens? Suppose like I did some mistakes or I want to compare previous data, then what I will go for time travel concept. When you go for time travel, by mistakenly I did some operations. Okay. Now I want to rectify the same data, then what I will go for time travel concept. Got the point. So functionality of this time travel is that what? If you do some mistake, what happened normally in normal database, what? So we should, if you have the backup only, we can able to get it done. Otherwise, so there'll be big escalation will be done, or we need to separate it. But what happened in Snowflake, we can able to rectify this. Suppose, like, see, your question is that suppose see, I go to Oracle database. Now what happened? I create table. Okay, so create table. So ID number. Okay. So table has been created. Okay. Now insert into so T1 values. Okay. Now what happens? See, now insert record. Now what happened? By mistakenly I drop table T1. Now here there is no concept of undrop. Okay. See, now what happened? We should make so Oracle admin or somebody to get it back. Now what happened in Snowflake? Simply we can able this what concept? Simply I can able this undrop keyword and we can able to get the done. That's all the point. Okay. See, this is feature. Okay. So Snowflake having cloning one feature, time travel one feature. So by this, we can able to bring our data back. So if I select this is normal data, normal table only, active data will be. Suppose like what happened, I want to access previous data, previous thing. Then what happened, go for this time travel concept will come into picture. Suppose like yesterday, I did some operation. Now what happened, I go back and I can able see my data with previous data I want to compare. Then what happened, we'll take the query ID and we can able to compare the things. It is can able to. Got the point? Yes, am I getting a little bit?
It's fine. Fine.
If I want to get premium data,
Your voice is breaking. Something. Ask again.
So Praveen, so every time we need to execute with statement only, time travel statement.
Your voice is some issues. You can post them. You can post in the chat box. So now see, so this is fine. I'm net issues, I guess. Okay, not able to answer. Okay, see. Now come to our topic. So this is fine. So one more concept is linked to each other. So here we are having the concept of, okay, see, concept of table types concept is there. So 1 second.